to feel the centerpiece drop a little bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some force down right here in your low back, okay? Move it around. There you go. Ooh! Couple more.